Smokey, and he's been sick for a while now. He's been he's had blood in his urine, and he's been to the vet today, and he has a tumour in his mouth and kidney problems, and the vet wanted to put him down today, and I can't put him down because I love him so much. We've had Smokey for 16 years maybe, and I remember taking him to primary school for like show and tell, and he's been with us so long now, and I love him so much. He's survived being hit by a car, and he choked on his flea collar once. But I don't want to have to kill him because I love him so much. He's one of my best friends. He's purring now. I don't know if you can hear. He's always purring. I don't want it. I've got all this other crap in my life as well. My grandpa's sick, and the other pets are old too, and it just seems as though everything's gonna die around the same time. And I don't want that to happen, and I guess I'm at a low point in my life right now. I don't know. It's just I don't want to hurt my cat. I remember when I got back from the Gold Coast in Australia 6 months ago. I was away for 2 weeks, and when I walked in the room, Smokey, the cat, he just got up and meowed a bit and waited for me to come pick him up, and I knew he loved me and I love him, and I just love my animals, and I don't want to have to hurt him, and he's been a part of our family for years. Tomorrow will have to be the day that we put him down, I think. I'll find it really hard to do. I want to do it. That's it for now. I'll show you some photos of Smokey. But at times, so I can remember him happier and healthier.